if you are just getting into affiliate marketing, you might be thinking about becoming an Amazon affiliate. Why? Because you like, first of all, everybody know about Amazon, right? So this should be easy money. All I got to do is put out my Amazon affiliate links and watch the money roll in. Now I know that sounds really, really good. And actually, this could possibly happen, but there are some things you should know before signing up to be an Amazon affiliate. All right, I've been an Amazon affiliate for, man, at least maybe 7, 8 years now. And I have not missed one single month where I haven't been paid by Amazon in some level. I ain't gonna lie to you. Some months is piss money. Other months was okay, right? But I've learned some things about being an Amazon affiliate, and I'm gonna share them with you right now. Now, the first thing you do need to know about becoming an Amazon affiliate is it is fairly easy to become an Amazon affiliate. Now, last I checked, like I said, I've been an affiliate for several years, but last I checked, you pretty much just have to show Amazon that you have a place to promote their products. You might could just get by with having a YouTube channel or having a blog. Before, I had to show that I had a blog. I just showed it to them and they're like, all right, cool. Yeah, you got a place to promote. Cool, right? So it might even be even easier now to get accepted to be an Amazon affiliate. Now, once you are an affiliate, you will see on your account, they have an area where it says, like if you're on a product page, you'll see where it says like text link. You click on that link, boom, you got your link right there from Amazon, and you can put that link wherever you want to promote it at, right? So, with all that being said, Amazon's commissions are trash, right? I mean, your average commissions when you first start out are like 1 to 3% commissions. And if you are not promoting like high ticket items, if you're not promoting, workout equipment like treadmills, ellipticals, if you're not promoting computer systems that's like $2, $3,000, being an Amazon affiliate can be very, very disappointing. But there is, in my opinion, a way to still make a lot of money as an Amazon affiliate and not really promoting high ticket items. All right. How you want to do it is do reviews, product reviews. I'm telling you, because if you do, first of all, people are always looking for reviews on damn near any and everything, right? So what you want to be able to do is create reviews about products. You can start with things that you already got, right? Things that you already bought from Amazon or whatever. Do some reviews, do some YouTube videos, even TikTok, Facebook Reels, whatever you prefer, right? Start with reviews, because reviews gets a lot more traffic than just your basic, videos about something. Because and more than likely, if it's a product, people are always going to be looking for reviews, right? So how you could do it is start doing your reviews, right? Get them out there. So you can start doing reviews with things you already have. Now you might be thinking, oh, wait a minute. Like I really don't got that much stuff, or maybe I only got 5 or 6 things I can review that I got on Amazon or whatever. Now what do I do? It's all good, all right? Because remember, people just want to know what people think about this product. So necessarily it don't have to be your experience. It'd be great if it is your experience, but it doesn't have to be. So what you want to do is once you get a product, and hopefully it's a popular product, right? And whatever niche you're promoting, get that product, do your little research. So say for example, you do want to promote this treadmill, all right? You don't have the treadmill, but hey, you want to promote it, you're into the fitness niche, and maybe you're even thinking about getting a treadmill for yourself. What you could do is look at the reviews that's already written on Amazon about that treadmill, right? And you can kind of put it into, video form. You can either do a video of you reading other people's reviews, or you can even take screenshots of these reviews from Amazon or other places, right? Take screenshots, put some music behind them and maybe a little background behind it. And then you can make those into YouTube shorts as well as TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. And you can upload these videos. Make sure you have your Amazon link in the description or the comments of every piece of content that you put out. Now, here's another idea, piggybacking off of that. Because we are in the era of short content, right? You can literally take one product and make tons of videos using one review. And what I mean is, I think I said it all wrong. But say, for example, you got a product, right? And you see they have 100 positive reviews, 100 4 and 5 star reviews. Because of this whole TikTok and YouTube shorts, you can take one screenshot or read one review, and that could be your content. So that you can have 100 pieces of content promoting one product. So even if, because like I say, Amazon commissions are trash, right? But say for example, you are promoting something that's $100, you might get $2, right, per sale. But imagine if you had, 50 videos out there with the title reviews behind it and the product name. Imagine the traffic that you can get in the short and in the long term, right? So those $2 commissions could start adding up over time. And this could be a great way to earn some passive income. One more thing that you want to keep in mind that is cool about Amazon is when somebody click on your link. So say for example, you're promoting something that's fairly cheap, like a $50 supplement, right? Say somebody clicks on that link, but they actually don't buy the $50 supplement, but they start scrolling around. Next thing you know, they buy that treadmill. You know what I'm saying? That $2,000 treadmill. So even though you was promoting a $50 product, you might end up getting a commission off of a $2,000 treadmill, right? Why? Because when somebody click on your link, they're connected to you for, I think, is it 90? No, I forget how long it is, but it's at least a couple days to a couple weeks. They're connected to you. So anytime that they make a purchase on Amazon, you're going to get the commissions. Yeah, I think it might be 24 hours or a couple days or something. They're connected to you. I forget. It's been too damn long. But anyway, guys, if you're going to become an Amazon affiliate, I would highly suggest you take the review products approach and be ready to produce a lot of content. Because in my opinion, that's the best way to make money as an Amazon affiliate. Now, if you want to check out my top 3 affiliate marketing programs that make me money online every month, you want to check out the links in the description of this video as well as the pinned comment. You have no excuse why you can't make no money.